How to add GIFs on Shopify step-by-step tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to be going ahead and adding a GIF to our Shopify store. So to add a GIF to your Shopify store, basically first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to your main Shopify store, and once you come over to a Shopify store from here, what you're going to want to do is you can go to the product page and add a GIF over there, or you can create one using an app. Okay, so you can create GIFs through, Canva or any other places. Now, I already have a GIF, and let me show you what it looks like. If I were to come to downloads, I already have a GIF, and I'm going to be using that GIF file. So as you can see over here, this is my GIF file, and I'm just going to go ahead and try to add this. So you can either go into your content section to add GIFs into your Shopify. So I'm going to go into content, go into files. Once you go into files, you're going to click on upload files. And once you click on upload files, as you can see, I have these two GIFs. I'm going to choose these. I'm going to click on open, and it starts uploading these GIFs. And as you can see, these two GIFs are working along fine. So we're just going to wait for it to upload, and there you go. Files have been uploaded, and there you go. So now we have two GIFs, and you can obviously add these into your store in the easiest way. So I'm going to come to my online store, and to add an image, obviously, I'm just going to get into customization. Now, once you get into your customization over here, I'm going to add a section for an image. Okay, let's say I'm just going to add an image over here. Yeah. Now, once you've added an image, you're going to select your image. Obviously, I'm going to choose the GIF that I've added. So once you've added the GIF, I'm going to click on done, and let's see how it looks. So this is going to wait for it to load up. So look at that. That's how you add GIFs. So basically, yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.